Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Amit, and in today's video I'm going to be getting a haircut in sunny Singapore. I'm bringing you guys along with me. Let's go! That was $1 for a train ride from a couple stops down. Compared to London and Tube, it's so cheap. Why are you so expensive, London? Why? Alright, so just before I get this haircut, let's take a look at how thick my hair has actually been getting. I'm basically looking like a little Wolverine at this point. I'm really happy about that, but at the same time, I need to look a little more fresh. My beard is getting a little gray. I'm going to trim that down, and I'm also going to try to get a cut on the sides and the back as well. I'm not going to touch the top, only because I want to see that keep growing. But yeah, that's the plan for now. Let's go. I basically grew up here for most of my life in Singapore, and I can't help but always be in awe whenever I come back. I love the place, love the venue, love the food. The only thing I don't like is the heat. It's very humid here. I'm not gonna lie, I'm already sweating. But what I also love about this place is the view. Here we have Marina Bay Sands, one of the most iconic places in Singapore, and it is one of my favorite places to be. At the top there's an infinity pool. Unfortunately this trip I can't do that, but yeah, if you're ever interested, definitely check out Marina Bay Sands, and if you ever come to Singapore. Not gonna lie, the view never ever gets old. Alright, it is a very hot day. I'm just taking a seat for a second, but I just wanted to show you guys the iconic merlion that is part of Singapore's history. It is part mermaid, part lion. Way back in the day, the four founders apparently had seen one, and it became its national monument of the country. So, do you believe in a merlion? I don't know. Let me know in the comments. Singapore's been great so far. Checked out a lot of food spots. Got my haircut done. It's looking pretty decent. I'm just really sweaty and gross right now. Grab a quick bite, and then we're gonna head back to home, and I'll go through in detail how the donut area is looking right now. Also, side note, if you've ever been to Singapore, you know how amazing and delicious the food is, and how very affordable the food is too. I'm having a kaya toast right now. It's so good. I'll see you guys in a second. Peace. Alright, so very quickly I want to show you guys what the outcome of the haircut was. Now, when I went into the barber, I specifically told him about my hair transplant situation, that I had gone for a first one and I just came back from a second. The hair's grown out for about 2.5 months now, and I was ready for a haircut. But I did specifically tell him not to touch anything at the top of my head. It was mostly for the areas just on the sides where the donor area was and the back. This was also very key for me because I really wanted to see how well my donor area was holding up after a second procedure. So in total I had 10,000 grafts from the first and the second combined, so I really wanted to see how well it held up. And to be very honest with you, I thought I held up pretty well. Now, as you can see from here, from the close-up angles of it, it doesn't look like it's been over-harvested at all, to be honest. And even if it does, maybe very slightly, but to me, that is not the biggest deal. It's still presentable. I can still walk out like this without an issue. And yeah, I'm really happy with how that's turned out. Another thing is that when he did shave the sides of my head, he did it at a number 3. At the back, right at the bottom of my donor area, he did a number 2 just to make sure that area is more clean and neat. So overall, I think it was a great success. I'm very happy with the haircut that I got. It will last me for a while now, and yeah, now I can just peacefully wait for my crown to grow. I will be adding fibers eventually at some point from going out, but right now, pretty happy with how it looks. Where are you at? Come. Alright, let's say hi. Let's say hi. Let's say hi. Hi. Milo. Okay, no. Alright, well, this is one of the main reasons why I come back to Singapore. Clearly. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I try to post as much as I can. Thanks for following me along my haircut journey as well. And you finally get to meet my dog Milo. I hope you guys have a great day ahead. Like and subscribe for more. And I'll see you really soon. Peace.